and welcome to the most random, weirdest video I've ever created as a makeup transformation of Lil Pump. A lot of you guys have been asking for me to turn into him in the comments, and I see you, so I did it. If you don't know what Gucci Gang is, you probably don't know what Lil Pump is. He's famous for singing that song, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang. And his lyrics are very repetitive, and all of his songs kind of sound the same, in my opinion, but you guys wanted me to turn into him, so I'm gonna do that. I hope you guys appreciate this. I know it's very extra and weird, and me doing this makeup does not mean I'm promoting everything that this mumble rap artist promotes in his music videos, or anything like that. It's just a huge challenge for me to turn from female to male, do tattoos, makeups, which I rarely do. So, any controversy aside, this is just for fun. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started with the makeup transformation. First of all, I'm getting my hair out of the way, putting on a wig cap because he has a crazy head of hair of twists that are either blonde or purple or all the colors of the rainbow in one. Lil Pump is known for his wild hairstyles, so we have to put that on later. We're just flattening down our head of hair, securing it with bobby pins, and then we're gonna put on our face moisturizer. Prepping our skin with that and some makeup primer, whichever one you like is fine. I'm using the bareminerals hydrating primer, and then I'm just gonna go in with my Graftobain foundations. What I love about these is they're good for male grooming on set, any set makeups where you need a more natural like coverage of foundation. I'm just using my Sigma 3D HD sponge, any type of beauty blender that will work that is damp to melt this product into the skin or any foundation you are using. Doesn't have to be this one, bringing that down the neck and setting our under eyes with some powder so that we don't crease. Because as you can see, I'm not concealing my under eyes because I want this to look natural. Now it's time for some cream highlight and contour. I got this little kit from Graftobain, using the cream highlight on the tip and bridge of my nose, blending that out, then putting it on my Cupid's bow, the edge of my lip, blending that, and on my under eyes. We cannot forget that to do higher points of cheekbones and blend that out. And I did it on the center of my eyelids and my forehead, as weird as that is, because males tend to have larger, more protruding brow bones and forehead, so this highlighting mark here is going to mimic that. And I did a little bit on my chin as well, and blending all that into the skin. Now it's time to move on to my cream contour. I'm just contouring the bridge of my nose. Change the shape a little bit to look more like Lil Pump's. You really want to look at reference pictures. We are even putting that contour in between the bridge of our nose, in between our eyebrows, and into the eye sockets. And we cannot forget to contour the sides of his cheekbones and a little bit on the bottom of his lip, and blending all that in. We don't want to leave like streak marks of colored paint. Now I'm just getting this Mehron cream palette of highlight, contour, and blushes. I'm getting one of the second to darkest shades just to give him like a tanned look on the top of his forehead, contour things out, blend the highlight into the skin with the foundation. Putting a little bit more highlight on my nose before powdering down our entire face with setting powder or translucent powder. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I am also using the cream blushes from that Mehron palette to color my lips just with my fingertips, and contour a little bit on the bottom of my chin and the sides of my cheeks again. Now it's time to paint on the brows. I'm using my Poise Multitasking creams, using the second or third darkest brown shade with an angled brush to make these brow hairs look a little bit more realistic. He has a lot more thicker angled brows than I do. And then I'm gonna go in with the even darker brown color with another angled brush just to define the shape a little bit. And I put some chapstick over my lip color just to give it a little bit glossy, but not too poppin' of a gloss of a lip. With the contour shades from my Mehron palette, I am putting that on the edges of my mouth because he has like these sad, pouty looking lips. And I am contouring my laugh lines a little bit as well, even though Lil Pump is younger than I am. And I'm putting some mascara on, even though his lashes aren't like banging, but the color of my lashes were like deleted from all the foundation that probably went on them. And now it is time to paint on the tattoos. I got a black aqua paint with a very tiny detailed paintbrush and started doing the little tiny like rocket ship looking tattoo he has on the tear near the bottom of his eye. You really want to look at reference pictures for this. I would suggest using alcohol paints if you have it, but don't let it drip in your eye instead of this, because if you want this to be long lasting, these aqua paints won't last as a fake tattoo option. And we're going to paint in that little rocket as you see here with some red. Then with the black aqua paint on the other side, I'm doing this little star shape tattoo he has near the same area but on the other side. And I got some teal aqua paint to do a shape of a little UFO looking tattoo he has on his forehead. I'm not really sure what it is of. I just tried to mimic it as best I can with some black aqua paint to do the outlines over the teal. Then I got the red aqua paint again to do this other tattoo he has near his temple. And near his eye, a little red star in the outer corner. And if you really want these designs that you painted on to look more realistic, a little bit more like tattoos, you could put some setting powder on top just to make it fade out a little bit and not look totally fake. I'm doing a drop shadow on my lower lash line with the cream contour. And then I got a black stippling sponge. You can find these at Halloween stores or online, with some dark brown cream paint to do his stubble of his little mustache. Now it is time to draw on the tattoos on Little Pump's neck. I used a Tarte eyeliner, the double take liner that has the liquid pin on the other end, but I would not suggest this. It will definitely sweat off, trust me. I would do alcohol paints. But I'm just drawing the little skulls on his neck. He has some tiny skulls, about 5 of them, with the larger one in the middle and flames behind them. Again, reference pictures do help. I think skulls are one of the most popular tattoos in the world. And he has this other design on the other side of his neck that's like a line design and these wordings and letters below the skull and flames. Once those letters and all the outlines of the designs of the neck tattoos are on, we're gonna get some red alcohol paint to do parts of the flames. I'm saying parts like the inside part, not the entire flame, and then orange on the other side. So it's like an ombre effect of dark red in the middle with orange tips on the flames. I even got the leftover foundation on my sponge to put over those tattoos to make it fade a little bit and set it with some translucent setting powder. Once the tattoo makeup is set, I am getting some telesis. This is a medical grade adhesive, or you can use some pros-aide or spirit gum, but I just got some crepe wool, aka fake little hairs that you use in prosthetic makeups to recreate facial hair. Just putting that on, styling it to my own design to look like Lil Pump's little facial hairs on his chin. You want to comb it through, style it, and then put on a t-shirt. I just got a button up and this fake gold chain because we all know Lil Pump likes his bling. Then I got his twisted hair wig that's so crazy, and I painted the ends purple, put the little pigtails. I'm just getting some cream paint to paint in this plastic pieces on his wig and his hairline because he has a crazy edge of a hairline. This wig is from Amazon and it is from one of the characters from the movie The Matrix, which is crazy. But as you can see, I'm just straightening out his hairline. Then I got this big oversized bright blue coat I had because it's so extra, and some fake gold teeth. And with that, we're completely done with our Little Pump makeup transformation. One of America's most popular mumble rappers at this point in time. He's gotten into a lot of controversy. And again, this isn't me promoting the type of behavior that this guy displays, but I just thought it'd be a challenging makeup transformation because he has a totally different face than I do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the products I use in this video will be listed down below. Thank you again to the people that suggested that I turn into Little Pump. This was such a crazy idea that I just had to do it. And just like these people, leave me a comment down below and maybe I will showcase your comment in the video if it's good enough to turn into something crazy, into a makeup transformation. And now it's time for me to turn back into myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video again. Thank you guys so much again for the support and always watching. Subscribe for more makeup transformations like this and even crazier ones in the future. There's so many great things coming this next month and summer in general on this channel and just in life. I'm so excited. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter and I'll be myself and not Lil Pump, I promise. You can see behind the scenes of these videos there. Watch out if you have fake gold teeth because it kind of hurt and made my teeth ache, which is really weird. So don't leave them in your mouth for too long. Just a little warning for you. If I could afford a blinged out Gucci outfit to wear in this video, I would have for Lil Pump. I can't wait to see you guys in more videos, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye!